We are from the PBL RKS 412 group will present for PBL progress. Before that, please allow you to introduction yourself. Next slide. Introduction, my name Ray Haryanja. I am the leader of the team, and also here I will the team member, namely Akia Fikri Ramadan, Desti Silva Dewi, Aditya Pramadan, Nohiro Hazalayatama, and Hasbi Hakim. Next slide. Before that, please allow me to description the PBL we made for this semester. This project this CMD system and simulation game based associate operation in the project. The blue team acts a defense team tasks with screening the system, performing headering, and monitoring security logs through CM. Meanwhile, the red team acts as an attacker who treats exploitation system weakness through various technical scanning, brute force exploitation, or privilege installation. The next slide will be continue my concludes Adit.
Project output, web application. For our first output, we developed a commerce web application focused on clothing sales. This platform facilitates transaction between two main parties, sellers and buyers. Next, second project output, web server. For the second output, we configure our application using the Nginx web server. The server is secure with a SSL certificate generated through a CICM process, ensuring that all communication is protected via the TLS Transport Layer Security Protocol. Next.
And database server. On this database server, we as a MySQL database using a virtual machine, namely Ubuntu server, and to backup the database, we still use cronjob as the database backup. Next. And on this spec is the SOC section where the photo on the left is the dashboard of Grafana and the photo on the right is Virus Total. Next.
Okay, I will explain the again form that we monitor. Here there are three agains, namely web server, database server, and proxy. Picture second is a display of the log, the errors in the again. For example, the web server again that show the log of events or attack such as XXS. Next, in this project, we also implement OpenSense as a router and firewall for network traffic and security. And we also divide some VLAN for our VMs to make them more secure and not accessible from outside. Next.
This scanning, we start our testing by using Nmap to identify open ports and surface, followed by Nuclei to detect common vulnerabilities using predefined template. Next, we continued with what web to frame the web technologies used and perform manual testing for SQL inject and cross-site scripting vulnerability. Fortunately, our website is immune from SQL injection and XSS attack. Next, we then utilize Chromix to test for common injection vulnerabilities in the web application, followed by DRB to perfectly brute forcing and identify hidden resources on the server.
Okay, our progress is now 60%. Then continue with the weekly logbook. Next, then the project problem where the problem encountered in this project is conflict from capacity of the device used for PBL. So it is still difficult for us to develop PBL more widely, and also the large number of VM users.
Here we are divided into several job decks. I myself have a job desk, a web application, Akia Fikir Ramadan and Nohiro Hazal as CMF SOC development, Hasbi Hakim as a database server, Aditya Pramadan as web server, and Desti Silva Dewi as a document analyst. Next. In the next step, we will start working on integration Waju with the Hive and Cortex, configuration alerts, and custom rules in Waju, integration testing in incident simulation, and headering. Next. Choose the presentation of group. If there are words of mistakes for us, please forgive. Thank you.